I'm giving you sentence. You can write it down, but uh, do not start process. As she comes, Poonam, you can. Today's sentence is log.
Sir, should I erase? Should I
Yes,
erase
yes,
it?
yes, yes.
Oh,
Here is it.
जी भैया.
The sentence is लोग घर पर गणपति विसर्जन कर रहे थे. Please repeat in this sentence.
लोग घर पर गणपति विसर्जन कर रहे थे.
How will you make it, Bitya?
जी. People were immersing the Ganpati ji at home.
Okay, fine. Aparna?
Uh, I also people were immersing Ganpati ji at home.
Poonam, your sentence is लोग घर पर गणपति विसर्जन कर रहे थे.
Okay, sir. So today I have to make the sentence.
Yes, it's your go today.
Sir,
Firstly, are you
sir,
equipped? No.
yes, sir. Today I'm not ready for.
Okay, so Aparna will do it. But firstly, try to translate. How will you translate this sentence?
Yes, sir. The people were immersing the Ganpati ji at home.
Okay, correct. You all are correct, but write it down like this. Sarika, you can write it down. Aparna, you can also write it down on paper. Later on, you can uh, come to the whiteboard. Uh, People were immersing Ganesh idols. The spelling is on your screen. IDOLS at home. People were immersing Ganesh idols at home. People were immersing Ganesh idols at home. Uh, Aparna has to do it, or Sarika wants to do it.
Sir,
I
if Aparna Didi wants so,
Fine.
otherwise I am ready to make it.
Actually, it is Poonam's go, and after Poonam, Aparna's go. So let Aparna do it. And if she fails to do it, you can take the charge.
जी.
And you can finish whenever you complete the sentence. You are not born to go by 2 o'clock. Now you are your own. And if you get any problem, I will be there tomorrow to solve it. है ना? Actually, if there are so many people, it becomes enjoyable. If there are less people, it is less enjoyable. Let's see, they will come or not.
जी.
So let Aparna start it. She's writing on the board. I'm disappearing.
It is visible.
Yes, it is visible, जी.
This small letter I have written. No? Is it visible?
I have zoomed my screen so I can easily see all the sentence.
Okay. Poonam, Poonam, where where is she? The
I
sentence is
think
low
she must,
गणपति
but
विसर्जन
the
गणपति
now,
विसर्जन
hmm, the लोग घर पर गणपति विसर्जन कर रहे थे. This is the sentence. लोग घर पर गणपति विसर्जन कर रहे थे.
गाइस थोड़ी बहुत हिंदी इधर उधर हो जाए चलेगा. इट वाज करेक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. द सेंस इज सेम. इंग्लिश सेंटेंस शुड बी accurate. Aparna, try to write down English sentence in single line so that you can underline properly
okay
with small
I'm going,
letters.
I'm going to write is the meaning of this sentence. WERA people were
If you want to check spelling, you can speak. Google will give correct spelling.
people were immersing Ganesh arena. It will not be visible.
You can write small letters.
Or you can put your tripod little far.
Good.
Yeah, this is good. The complete board is visible now.
Binyan. Idols. Idols.
It will
Spelling
do.
is correct, Ji.
Visibility is not a problem. Explanation is the main thing. You can continue.
Okay. So, Sarika, repeat the English sentence.
The people were immersing Ganesh idols at home.
Okay. I'm going to make passive voice. What is the first rule of passive voice?
According to the first rule, we change the object into the subject.
Now, what is the object in this sentence?
Aparna, uh, uh, gun, go, at home, home is the object in this sentence.
Sarika, what is the object in this sentence?
The Ganesh idols is the object in the sentence.
So, according to the first rule of the passive voice, I'm taking subject into the object. Am I right?
Yes, Ji.
और कन्नू महाराज लिख देना. And what is the second rule of passive voice, Punam?
The second rule of passive voice is we change the sorry uh, we take the helping verb if accordingly if it is present.
So, what is the helping verb in upper sentence?
Were is the helping verb in upper sentence. Upon
So, I am taking as it is as the rule of the passive voice. Second rule of passive. What is the third rule of the passive voice, Sarika?
Now we remember the god of passive voice, that is be.
I am remembering the passive voice, god of passive voice, that is be. And because this is the past continuous tense, so the rule of the past continuous, formula of the past continuous, and for making it continuity, showing it continuity, we will add the ing with the god of the passive voice. What is the fourth rule of the passive voice? Punam?
the fourth rule of passive voice is we change the main verb into the third form of verb. V3.
What is the main verb?
Immerse is the main verb in upper sentence.
And what should be the third form of the verb, Sarika?
The immersed is the third form of the immerse. Immersed.
Immersed.
Ed.
Immersed. Immersed. क्या आता है immersed? ED ना?
Ed.
Immersed. And what is the fourth rule of the passive voice, Sarika? A fifth rule.
That according to the fifth rule, we change the subject into the object with the help of by.
So, by help of by, we are changing the subject into the object. Okay. And the sentence is Ganesh idol were being immersed by people. The Hindi meaning of this sentence. What should be the Hindi meaning of this sentence, Poonam?
Aparna, uh, check your sentence. Actually, your sentence is not complete.
Ganesh idol was being immersed by at home. Okay, and the last we are taking the extension of the okay, I forgot to ask you that which sentence, which chapter does this sentence belong? Poonam, upper one.
Upper one sentence belongs to past continuous tense.
And Sarika, what is the category of this sentence?
It is an affirmative sentence.
And Poonam, when we are taking, we are remembering the god of passive voice in, so what should be the form?
When we
When we taking the when we remembering god of the passive voice in past continuous tense, so what should be the form of be? God. मैंने बोल दिया be. So we have taken be. So what is the meaning of this sentence, Poonam? Hindi sentence. Hindi meaning of this sentence. Sarika, what is the Hindi meaning? What should be the Hindi meaning of this Hindi sentence?
लोगों के द्वारा गणेश प्रतिमाओं का विसर्जन घर पर किया जा रहा था.
घर पर ही किया जा रहा था, है ना? और दूसरा, Poonam, you try to speak second one, Hindi meaning of this sentence. She is not there. You are
गणेश,
not,
should I?
mute. हाँ.
गणेश प्रतिमाओं का विसर्जन लोगों के द्वारा घर पर ही किया जा रहा था. पूनम भाभी इज लेफ्ट.
गणपति विसर्जन लोगों के द्वारा घर पर ही किया जा रहा था.
Yeah, I think you should check your second one Hindi sentence. गणपति विसर्जन लोगों के द्वारा घर पर ही किया जा रहा था.
गणपति विसर्जन लोगों के द्वारा घर पर ही नहीं है ना?
गणपति जी का, आई थिंक गणपति जी का विसर्जन
गणेश प्रतिमाओं का, बिकॉज गणपति आइडल्स बोल रहे हैं ना हम लोग.
हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ एक्टिव इज गणपति विसर्जन ना?
नो हिंदी मीनिंग
विसर्जन इज अ वर्ब, इमर्स ना.
गणपति विसर्जन है ना इन हिंदी. सी योर बोर्ड सारिका.
लोग घर पर गणपति
विसर्जन कर.
बट इन English we have taken Ganesh idol, and Ganesh idol is our subject in passive voice, and immerse is the verb here.
No. Immerse is a verb. Ganesh idols were being immersed by people at home.
Hmm.
So गणपति विसर्जन लोगों के द्वारा घर पर ही किया जा रहा था या लोगों के द्वारा गणपति विसर्जन
सी हिंदी व्हाट वाज द हिंदी? लोग गणपति जी का विसर्जन घर पर ही कर रहे थे।
गणपति विसर्जन घर पर किया जा रहा था। सेकंड लोगों के द्वारा गणपति विसर्जन घर पर किया जा रहा था। Am I missing something now? In our active voice sentence, in Hindi sentence, we have written Ganpati Visarjan, but in English sentence, we have written Ganesh idol.
Don't you think we have to mention Ganpati idols, Ganpati Pratimaएं in your Hindi sentence?
Even in making sentence we have
written here na
हाँ.
Ganpati Visarjan in active voice. So I am
Ganpati
taking
हाँ.
as it is. We did
But
not take in
according to the subject,
गणेशपति हाँ we did not take ऐसा कि लोग घर पर गणपति प्रतिमा का विसर्जन कर रहे थे।
actually both the
According to
meanings
the
are
active voice, I am taking.
both the meaning are same. Ganpati Visarjan and Ganpati Pratimaओं का विसर्जन. Both meaning are same. But I'm just asking कि if in your English sentence, according to your English sentence, you have mentioned Ganpati idols as a subject. So can we take when we translate the in this sentence? So can we take Ganpati Pratimaओं का विसर्जन in your Hindi sentence? और गणपति विसर्जन I know गणपति विसर्जन is correct, पर we can say like this ना कि गणपति प्रतिमाओं का विसर्जन लोगों के द्वारा घर पर किया जा रहा था.
We can take it, but we have got the active voice sentence like this. So I am taking as it is and passive voice the subject or object. I did not change it. In
Okay.
English we have changed I am Ganesh idol. But how can we understand na कि Ganesh Ganpati may be the name of any person. So that's why we have converted it to Ganesh
गणपति
idol.
idols means गणेश जी की प्रतिमाएं. Idols means मूर्ति होती है.
हाँ, idol. But we in English we have changed it in idol. But in Hindi we have taken as a Ganpati. We did not mention it in Ganpati Pratima in Hindi. So in Hindi I have taken as it is in passive voice. Ganpati.
Okay. I have one question. This can we take another object instead of people? Can we write possessive adjective instead of people?
Pronoun we can write by them at home. We can write, I think so. By them.
हाँ,
But
by them.
we are specifying the object by the people. That's why I have written people over there. because another person did not know, matlab don't know the what is the object in this sentence. We are taking it firstly, people. If we are asking somebody कि people is कि were Ganesh idol being immersed by the people at home, then we can take the pronoun. अगर we are taking it as a
Means according to you, them is the pronoun.
them is a pronoun by them.
No,
No,
no.
them is a
Them is not. Them is not a pronoun.
mm, him is nahi there. Yes, there is a pronoun. Yes,
No,
there
there
is
is. There is not pronoun.
by there. So you tell me what is the pronoun?
You are my teacher, na?
हाँ तो you
You
tell me
tell
ना I
me.
don't know.
You can ask to Poonam Bhabhi.
But I think so them will come over there instead of people if we are asking any question.
Yeah,
Even
yeah.
if
We
we are
can.
making the sentence in inverted, so we can use the pronoun. But this is the um, what is the category of this sentence?
It is an affirmative
Affirmative.
sentence, but my
Affirmative
question
sentence.
is कि them is a pronoun or not? According to you, them is pronoun. But as far as my knowledge, them is not pronoun.
But I think so. Okay, them is a pronoun. What you say, Poonam?
Sarika is right. Them is not pronoun. They is pronoun, but them is not pronoun.
So them, what is them? Them is a possessive adjective.
Yeah, them is a possessive adjective. They, them. So
I know
that's
that,
why
but
that's
I
why
want to
we
making
can
things
put
confused.
them instead of people, because people is a plural number, and we can say na they were
But we
immersing.
cannot use pronoun over there. How can we
Ha,
use by there at home?
no,
It
no,
will
no.
not
But
be. We haven't heard.
in this sentence, we can use possessive adjective
We
them
can use possessive
instead of
adjective,
people. Ha,
but somebody when we ask question or we make the sentence in an inverted, so we can use pronoun. But we
no,
are
it is
taking
not.
as it is affirmative sentence, so we how can we use pronoun instead of
No,
object?
you have put people as it is because you are try to you are trying to clarify the specific object there, na? That's why you are putting people as it
And
is.
one more
But
thing
my
is that
question is कि we can write down uh, them
your
instead
question is
of people.
can we use them?
Ha, instead of people.
No, we
I
cannot
think we
use
can use.
instead of people because this is the affirmative sentence. I, I'm telling you, I don't think so.
But I think we can use them instead of people.
But as far as I am concerned, firstly, people know the what should be the subject. When he got the subject, he got this. This is the subject. Then we can take the pronoun instead of the subject. Firstly, he must know the
Possessive
subject.
adjective.
हाँ, नहीं
हाँ.
possessive adjective
According to
subject.
you, if we are taking pronoun as a subject, so we can take possessive adjective as a object, है ना? You are
Possessive
trying to say this
adjective,
thing, na?
pronoun as well. Pronoun as well. Possessive adjective we can take,
हाँ.
but if we are taking pronoun, so we should the person should know the subject of
We
the
can't
sentence.
take pronoun as a object in passive voice.
We can't take.
We have to take possessive adjective instead of pronoun when there is a object. There is a subject, means when we convert subject into the object, so that time we can take possessive adjective instead of pronoun. We can't take pronoun that time there.
I said already to you, said to you,
हाँ.
you cannot take a possessive pronoun. Firstly, the person should know na what should be the subject. Then we can take the pronoun. But you are
Actually,
telling
you
me
are
possessive
little bit
adjective.
confused between the pronoun and possessive adjective. That's why I am saying you are little bit confused between pronoun and possessive adjective.
If you are taking directly in the active wise, people were immersing Ganesh idol at home. Were they immersing Ganesh idol at home? So we are taking they. Were they?
We can say like this, na, were people
Asking them.
immersing Ganesh idol at home? We can say this thing. So
We are pronouncing
what is
them.
people? What is people in your sentence?
People is a subject.
And subject and
In a passive voice, this is an object.
people is a subject, but what is people? What is log?
People is object. Because after by we have taken the people.
Yeah, people is a subject and then we convert into the object. But I am asking, what is people, noun or pronoun?
People.
People is noun. People is common noun.
People is a common noun. So that's why I am saying I'm trapping you. I'm trolling you.
I know. I was trying to answer you. That's why. The noun and that's why I'm going. I was clarifying you that we cannot take pronoun instead of the subject or object. Okay. Poonam, ask anything.
Yes. What did you write in Hindi? पैसिव वॉइस गणपति जी विसर्जन लोगों के द्वारा
घर पर किया जा रहा था. गणपति
I
विसर्जन
think
लोगों के द्वारा घर पर किया जा रहा था.
see what we have write in passive voice English sentence. Ganesh idols were.
But sir has given the sentence in active voice कि लोग घर पर गणपति विसर्जन कर रहे थे. He did not mention गणपति
No,
प्रतिमा
did
का विसर्जन घर पर कर रहे थे.
we didn't write immersion of Ganpati idols. We did not write na.
But in active voice I have taken Ganesh idol at home.
No, in Hindi sentence actually Ganpati ji ka visarjan should come.
Ganpati Visarjan we used to say that like this na Ganpati Visarjan ke liye we are going for Ganpati Visarjan. So as for Hindi, as for sentence, हिंदी sentence लोग घर पर गणपति विसर्जन कर रहे थे. And translate of as active voice sentence. People were immersing Ganesh idol at home. So I have taken as it is in passive voice.
I think the
And I have written over here as the active voice
actually
sentence.
both the sentence are correct, but I think the Hindi sentence should be गणपति जी का विसर्जन.
हाँ, we can say गणपति जी मतलब if we are respecting more अभी गणपति
And
विसर्जन
we
is not.
can say
हाँ,
गणपति जी
मतलब
की
दो
मूर्तियों का विसर्जन.
गणपति मूर्ति का विसर्जन.
Yeah,
But
actually it is
गणपति जी की मूर
it is मतलब like we
we
immerse
are
actually.
respecting
Uh-huh.
we are respecting our God, and we should have written over there गणपति जी का विसर्जन, गणपति जी की प्रतिमा का विसर्जन. If we take a full Hindi means a classic Shastri Hindi we are written. If we are writing in Shastri Hindi, so that we can write there गणपति जी की मूर्ति का विसर्जन कर. Or if we are talking to the people, the normal people, common people in Chalu Bhasha or used to Bhasha. So we used to say that Visarjan, Ganpati Visarjan. Where are you going? We are going for Ganpati Visarjan. We did not tell ना कि गणपति जी की मूर्ति का विसर्जन करने जा रहे हैं. Nobody say like that. So this is the common uh, language of the Hindi, Ganpati Visarjan. We have taken here Ganpati Visarjan. And I'm using same to same in passive voice.
Actually पूनम भाभी was trying to say this कि गणपति विसर्जन is a complete. हाँ, विसर्जन is a
One
verb,
word.
है ना.
I want
हाँ,
to say
and
it is one word.
हाँ,
गणपति विसर्जन
गणपति
is one
विसर्जन
word.
is a
But
one word. हाँ,
हाँ, and in
पर
English we
गणपति
have
जी का
differentiate the
विसर्जन.
both.
हाँ,
Immersing
both.
as a verb and Ganpati
Immersing
as
as
a
a.
subject. That's
हाँ,
why I'm saying. हाँ. गणपति विसर्जन is one word actually, Aparna.
हाँ.
Actually,
So,
both are correct, but I want to say this only which Sarika have
somebody is
Ganpati.
going.
told you. Huh?
Ganpati.
Somebody is coming.
Who's coming?
Where? At
I
Aparna's
don't know.
house?
No. Somebody is try to join this link, I
Okay.
think.
Okay.
हाँ, I have
How do
read
you
the
do?
message. I have read the message.
Okay. Hmm. So you were right. Ganpati Visarjan is a verb. FF Gaming. Raj is coming.
Raj is come.
Raj is there. So yes, गणपति जी की गणेश मूर्ति का विसर्जन लोगों के द्वारा किया जाना है. हाँ, we can write here.
So Aparna, there you are.
हाँ, विसर्जन लोगों के द्वारा गणपति जी का विसर्जन घर पर किया जाता है. Actually, I have taken from active voice as it is. So I have written over there. But you said कि हाँ, when you said कि this is the verb of the sentence, so there should be the Ganpati, and Ganpati should be subject of. We are going to make the subject of the Ganpati, so we should take something else. So I have written Ganpati ji ka Visarjan. So in this way, we are क्या different क्या कर रहे हैं? We are departing the
Differentiate.
verb.
We had to differentiate the subject and
We
what
are
is the
departing. We are departing
ha
the subject with the
and what is
verb.
the verb.
Verb.
Hmm.
Good morning,
Here is a
Raj.
thin line differentiation.
Good morning, ma'am.
Differentiate and departing.
Ha. Both are correct. Departing and differentiate.
पता नहीं, I don't know, but I'm using this.
नहीं, but I always use
Differentiate.
differentiate. Differentiate means दो चीजों को हम differ करते हैं और क्या उनकी similarities हैं, क्या उसमें.
भिन्नता,
That's
हाँ.
why. हाँ.
Differentiate है ना,
That's why
भिन्न.
differentiate is
Departing
the
का अलग
appropriate
है.
word. हाँ. Departing
means
means
अलग.
हमने we are talking about separately one thing and another thing. But differentiate means we are comparing both between them. So comparison should be there. That's why I
We are
was
not
saying
comparing.
differentiate.
We are not comparing between subject and the verb. We are
Means
departing with the
not comparing,
verb.
differentiate कर रहे हैं but specifically कि this is the verb and this is the our subject. So
Let's
we can
see.
use
This is
differentiate.
huh. And one more word for there for अलग करना, विभाजित करना. For I don't remember. I am
Divide.
not. हाँ, dividing.
Divide.
Yeah. So, क्या कहते हैं, राज? This is the today's active voice sentence. लोग घर पर गणपति विसर्जन कर रहे हैं. People were immersing Ganpati idol at home, and this is a passive voice. Ganesh idol were being immersed by people at home. गणपति जी का विसर्जन लोगों के द्वारा घर पर किया जा रहा है. लोगों के द्वारा गणपति जी का विसर्जन घर पर किया जा रहा है. Do you have any queries and question about it or something else, Raj?
Ma'am, why are we using idols there?
Idols, because it's specifying the subject. This is not a common man, this is the Bhagwan, and this is the Murti of the Bhagwan. That's why we are using idol over here.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything else, Poonam, Sarika, Raj? तो अपना past continuous tense completed today. It was, I think, Poonam's go, but I have taken the chance. So I have made this sentence. And do you have any queries and questions regarding this sentence? So you can ask me. Sarika, make me confused.
Ma'am, ma'am, why
I
are
have
we using
already.
ma'am, why are we using ing with being?
Why are you using? Sorry.
ing with being?
So
He was
disturbing noise is
asking.
coming from.
He was asking why you are using ing with the be. Isn't it, Raj? This is his question.
As I told earlier in while making sentence that if we are showing the continuity of the sentence, so we are using ing with the be, because this is the continuous tense.
The what is be there?
Be is god of festival.
God of passive voice.
Hmm.
And
And
can
this
we
is
put
also
ing with the God of passive voice?
no. But sometimes we are making in the passive voice, so we are taking as a verb. So we yeah, we can put with the god of the nay. We can put ing with the.
I'm not getting your point. The please describe it.
You asked me, can we put ing with the god
No.
of festival?
Ha.
So what is the when be comes in continuous tense? Already we have taken here helping verb according to the second rule of passive voice. So this is the god of the passive voice be. So we are taking we are going to, and we have made is as a continuous past continuous tense. And for continuing and per rule of the past continuous tense, a formula of the past continuous tense with the be, we are using ing for continuing, for showing this continuous tense. So we have put ing with the be. We
So
have
my
taken
question
be
is
as
what
a
is
verb.
be? What is
Be
be
is a verb.
in this
Be was
sentence?
be. Be was
Be?
be. Be is a verb.
Which form of verb?
First form of the verb. Because the first
Okay.
form of the verb comes after helping verb, as you said yesterday, na? So this is the first form of the verb. This is
And the
the
what is immersed there?
immerse is the third form of the verb.
So can we take first form of the verb and the third form of the verb simultaneously in one sentence?
This is third form of the verb, but it is a past participle. And after the we can take uh, this is the past participle if we are going to make this sentence in passive voice. So after taking this be with the ing, so we have to call it past participle to make the sentence easy and
So what is
understand.
what is the role of past participle in this sentence?
After we can take the past participle. You know that after be, get, have, has, had. This is the five things in this. After these things, we can use past participle or noun or adjective. After this, be. So this is the be. Then we have used the past participle in be.
So
After
would you
be.
like to tell us what is the need to put past participle in your sentence?
The need of past participle in this sentence, because we have to show that this is the passive voice sentence. That's
So
why we
why you
have
Ma'am,
are
but
taken.
according to the formula, we generally change main verb into V3. So why are you changing into past participle?
So we have taken this is the uh, first form of the verb, and we have changed into V3. But this is
Yes, ma'am.
after
Yes,
making
ma'am.
this
It is V3.
this
It is V3, na? Emerged.
after taking this
So how can we
with
take
the
two?
ing,
Yes,
it's
ma'am. Yes,
become
ma'am.
a past participle.
But ma'am, how can we take two verbs? Like if the rule says we change main verb into V3, so it should be V3. And being is a verb. So how can
Being
we
is a
say that?
verb, but being is a noun after making after name. This is the noun after taking be. This become noun.
No, I don't think so. Emerge is the noun.
Noun,
Yes, ma'am.
adjective, or past participle we can say,
So
but
what
this
is
is not a
immersed
noun.
here?
This is
No.
not a noun. This is the past participle.
Okay, what is the difference of past participle and adjective?
Mm, past participle and adjective. Okay. Past participle we take as a making sentence in a passive voice. We always use past participle, but we make the sentence in B chapter. So we use adjective after the main verb. In this way, we can recognize that this is the passive voice and that is the B chapter.
Means you mean uh, only we use past participle while making sentences in
Passive voice.
passive
Ah,
voice only.
nahi, there are so many causes to make sentences part participle. I don't know. I'm to
What
bas
do you
just
take in perfect tense, Aparna?
huh?
Which form of the verb you take in third past? Sorry, any perfect tense?
Third form of the verb, past perfect tense.
Huh. And what is the third form of verb?
Past participle.
Huh. So what is the difference between past participle and third form of the verb? There is no difference.
Huh. So, but
Huh.
you asked me the what is the difference between past participle and adjective?
Huh. Both are different. Na? Adjective
What
is
is
a
the difference?
different thing. Huh. And past participle is a third form of the verb. So
Hmm.
what is the difference between adjective or past participle?
You are
Where we can,
confused. Earlier you were asking what is the difference between adjective and past participle. Now you are
huh,
asking what is the difference between adjective, nay, third form of
no,
the verb and participle.
there is no difference between third form of the verb and past participle. We know
I said
that.
already.
Huh. Earlier I asked this question, what is the difference between adjective or and the
Huh.
uh, and the
Past
past
participle.
participle. Huh.
Hmm.
So my question is this, ki what is the
Adjective we take
difference between
adjective we take only in a brief chapter after main verb adjective or noun, but in passive voice we take past participle after main verb.
so
Yeah,
that means we can't take adjective in another sentence or another tenses. We can't take.
we can take in another sentences
Huh.
adjective.
But
We
earlier
use the
you said na you can we can take adjective
in
only
a
in
B chapter.
B
B
chapter.
chapter, but the showing you can recognize very well after the main verb we can take already used to take now after main verb we take adjective or noun,
So what
so
is
we can
immersed
recognize that
in this
B
sentence?
chapter. This is the B chapter.
What is immersed in this sentence?
Immersed is a third form of the immerse. And we have taken here immerse. And this is also, this is two verbs here. But after being, it become a something else. And this become a something else.
Ma'am, what something
Why
else?
why you are taking both the verb in one sentence? According
After
to you,
adding
being is a verb and
ing,
immerse is also verb. So
after
can
adding
we take
ing,
two
it
verbs?
become, this is not a two verb. After adding ing, it become a noun. And after noun, we have, it became, yeah,
Ma'am, but
past
So
ma'am,
according
but
to
the
you, being is noun here.
ma'am, but the formula
noun.
says we can't put
No, being is
noun
not
before
noun here.
after helping verb. We can't put noun after helping verb.
We can't
Be
put noun
is
after
first
has
form of
been
the
put.
verb with ing because it is showing the continuity of past continuous tense.
Past continuous
Okay.
tense.
Hmm.
Continuity.
But
It is
she's
showing
saying, but
continuity of the
she's saying being is a noun here.
now. Now it is
No,
become a noun here
no,
after adding ing.
no, not at all.
I am
I
saying this is
don't
the noun.
I don't agree with your statement.
But
Being is not a noun.
I have stated that this
How
is the
can
noun.
how can you
After
how can you
adding
say
after adding ing, it became a noun, and this has become a, yeah, third form of the verb. That is past participle. So we can put after noun past participle.
no?
And
Ma'am,
just
but we
because
can't put noun
this is
before
not
after.
in
Ma'am, we can't put noun after verb. मतलब helping verb.
helping verb.
Yes, ma'am. Verb is a helping verb over there. So how
Huh.
can we put noun after helping verb?
So what should we? What is the rule of taking after taking the helping? After helping verb, what should we use?
According to the affirmative formula, we generally take we.
First form of the verb.
No, it's not necessary that we take first form or second form. We generally take verb.
Verb.
It could be either V3, V2, or V1.
First, second, third. It could be
Yes,
first, second, third. Huh.
yes, ma'am.
Form of the verb.
Yes, ma'am. So, why are you saying that it should be noun? You taught us affirmative sentence after helping verb. We comes, a verb comes.
After we be
After
verb.
helping verb, we comes.
Hmm. After helping verb becomes. This is the rule. This is the formula of exercise.
I mean verb comes after helping verb.
Huh.
So how can it be possible that
Verb
being
is
is noun
coming
over
here
there?
after helping verb. Sorry. Bolo.
Ma'am, how can you say that being is noun?
Hmm. Being is a noun. Sometimes I don't know. I'm just saying because you are making me confused. That's why I said noun over there. That's it.
Ma'am, according to me, ing is also wrong over there. We should not put being over there.
Being.
We simply
Being.
can make the sentence like Ganesh idols were immersed by people.
But it is the. This is were immersed by people. This is the pest. Whoa. What is this? they were immersed by. So this is yeah, perfect tense, I think.
Ma'am, it cannot be perfect tense. Ma'am, because in past perfect head comes. So verb is showing the God, that is we be a God of passive voice.
Hmm. So B is a god of passivize, and for continue showing continuity we have taken ing, and this is the first form of the verb. So we have taken third form of this is the rule of क्या है? चलो, I give up. I don't know. Anybody else know? You can tell us. You can expand this how we use the passive voice and how we use the third form of the verb. I give up
Ma'am, you should try.
because I don't know much grammar about the English, so I cannot answer. I know whatever I have given, and I know I didn't went through the grammar so much. So I have written what I have given. I have learned so far. I didn't know the what is the passive what is the past participle, and I don't know what is the noun. But as for passive voice, I have written all the things over here, and when I made the sentence right, if it is right, you can say this is right. And I don't know the grammar of the intense grammar of the English, and this is the intense grammar of the English. So I never gone through it. So you tell me, and you can explain me, and you elaborate this. Ki what is the meaning of ing and noun? Why we have taken the noun over here, and why we are taking the be, and again be again we are taking the verb over here. Now you explain.
Ma'am, actually
So
I am a
bring
student, I
bring
can't
your
explain.
so
And then,
I
how could you make this sentence without knowing grammar? How can you say कि you are not know the grammar?
I don't know. I know little much grammar so far. So that's why I have made this sentence whatever I know.
So what do you
So
think? Is your sentence
this
right
is
or
sentence
wrong?
is correct. This sentence is correct. I have made.
How can you say that कि this sentence is
This is
correct?
correct sentence. I know because this is generally used by the people and speak by the people,
Okay.
spoken by the people, used by the people and spoken by the people.
Ma'am, but it does not follow us a rule of passive voice that we use be. We cannot use ing with the God of passive voice. So how can you be so sure that it is pure passive voice or correct?
We have taken be with ing, no? So this is the first form of the verb be, and this is because of this is the continuous tense. We have taken ing with the form of God. We have remembered the God as a passive voice, and we have taken ing to make this continuous tense. And the according to the fourth rule of the passive voice, we have converted the main verb in the third form of verb. So I have converted it, and the last rule, according to the last rule, I have taken I have changed. nahi, I have changed the subject into the subject object. by the help of why? With the
We
help of
can't we use ing with emerged? It can also show
no.
continuity.
But to continue, if we want to show the continuity, so we have to take ing. We have to put ing over there with the first form of the verb and the god of the. And we already take used to call it god of passive voice, and the god make anything possible. So we have to give the ing with the god. Then they can make the sentence in passive voice into by the active voice.
Ma'am,
But
as
the in our upper one sentence, in active voice sentence, immerse is the main verb. So why
Yes,
you are putting the as a main verb in passive voice?
because the rule of passive voice, third rule of passive voice, we have taken be. And be, when we have taken be, and the we are making the sentence in continuous, and the sentence belongs to past continuous. So we have taken be and making it continue, showing it continuity. So we have taken be with the ing and made a sentence in being.
ma'am, can't we remove be because God is coming in past with the help of were and was. So why there is need of putting be in the sentence?
Because the God is not working and not in actions. So we had to put here be. If the subject is in action, if subject was in action, so we have to take on directly first form of the verb immerse with the help of ing, immerse with the ing. So we can take and in this sentence the subject no, subject is not working and not in action, so we have to take the be first form of the verb with the ing, and emerge we have taken the third form of the verb.
Ma'am, can't we show action without using be?
No, we cannot
But
show
in
the
the
action.
but in the active voice we were using were only.
We were using
Were only. There was no need of using be or God or anything.
so this is the active voice now. So there is no need to go God and be.
But why there is need of showing the action in the passive voice? Because passive means
There is no need to show the that's why so we have taken the be as a God, means be as a first form verb, and with the help of ing to show this continuity. But it is the subject is not in action, so we have to give the action in this third form of the verb. So this is showing the action for the object.
can't we make this
Okay,
sentence like this? Ganesh idols were emerging by people.
गणेश आइडल पर इमर्जिंग किया जा रहा
Were
किया
emerging by people.
mm,
According to me, it should be the right one.
किया जा रहा है था किया जाने किया इमर्जिंग विसर्जन किया जा रहा है नहीं नहीं लोग गणेश का विसर्जन कर रहे थे So in the meaning of the that sentence you have spoken, you have asked, the meaning of the that sentence is लोग विसर्जन कर रहे थे.
No, ma'am. I am saying Ganesh idols were emerging by people.
We can't
In,
we can't
eh,
take as like this.
but why? According to formula, it's right.
No, according to the formula.
Yes, ma'am. Everything is correct if we use like this, and I think this will be the correct one.
You said, what did you say? What is the sentence?
Ganesh idols were emerging by people. Everything is present here, and the sentence is also correct according to rule of passive voice.
Were emerging by the people.
By people, we can say by. There is no need of using the.
Hmm. तो इसमें तो we can say that कि people विसर्जन कर रहे थे गणेश आइडल का. तो किया जा रहा था नहीं हो सकता. आई कैन नॉट से पीपल के द्वारा विसर्जन किया जा रहा था नहीं. वी कैन नॉट से. आई डोंट थिंक सो. अपने आप थोड़ी ना होंगी वो, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट इन एक्शन. गणेश आइडल अपने आप थोड़ी ना विसर्जित होंगी. गणेश आइडल आइडल वर इमर्जिंग. तो वो यहाँ तक अगर अपन बोले तो गणेश आइडल थोड़ी ना अपने आप विसर्जित होंगी.
But we are using by
अगर
by.
भगवान
We are using by
भगवान
over there.
एक्शन में नहीं है ना, तो ये कैन नॉट.
लोगों
दिस
के
कैन नॉट
द्वारा
बी.
हो रही है ना दी,
हाँ तो लोगों के
लोगों
द्वारा
के
हो रही,
द्वारा
बट
हो रही है ना.
दिस इज इन सब्जेक्ट. तो सब्जेक्ट एक्ट ना.
इज योर सेंटेंस इन एक्टिव वॉइस और पैसिव वॉइस?
I don't know. He has given the sentence. We can make like this in passive as Ganesh idol were emerging by the people. So, but I have written here. So I cannot say कि this is the Ganesh idol is in action. The object is in action. So we cannot say this is right.
But
But
ma'am, the
generally we
formula
can
In
according to
any
general
sentence,
formula it is right.
subject is only in active wise we are taking we are you are saying in the passive wise we can take were emerging, but this is not correct because the Ganesh idol, the people is in action. Ganesh idol is not in action. So Ganesh idol को अपने आप immersion नहीं किया जा सकता. I cannot say. I don't think so.
the what should be the Hindi meaning of this sentence? Ganesh idol were emerging by the people.
You tell me what should be the Hindi meaning of this sentence, Raj?
गणपति विसर्जन लोगों के द्वारा हो रहा था.
हो रहा था. And the Hindi mean and the according to the passive voice we use किया जाता है या किया जा रहा था या किया जा रहा मतलब हमेशा उसको किसी और के द्वारा होता है. So we cannot take it as it is in this sentence in passive voice.
Ma'am, like if I am saying to somebody, गणपति विसर्जन लोगों के द्वारा हो रहा था. So is this wrong or right? It's also passive as far as I think.
Not in passive voice. This is the past continuous tense. No, but past continuous I can say.
How can we say it's past continuous?
क्योंकि
Ma'am,
हो रहा
ma'am,
था. We are taking
ma'am,
the
but ma'am,
and we are taking रहा था. So this
ma'am,
is the
past in
past
the
continuous.
past continuous, we you have written the sentence. It's past continuous. So how can you say it's past continuous?
I have written over here, na. People were emerging. By the people, because the क्योंकि this is the subject, and subject doesn't enact. Subject is not in action.
Ji, sorry for interruption. Poonam Bhabhi wanna leave the meeting because she has to go somewhere. So she sent the message.
Okay, Poonam.
Sorry, thank you.
Okay. It's a
Bye-bye.
part of the game and a part of the passive voice. So we are I'm taking the balls from the Raj and trying to solve it. Maybe you
Mhm.
can make a leave.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. So should we continue it or what to do?
As you say,
2 o'clock. Sarika,
As you wish, Di. I
should
don't
we
have any
continue it?
problem.
You don't have
Okay, no problem.
Have you taken your meal?
No, not yet. But if you wanna explain, so I can stay.
So explaining,
Ah,
I'm just trying to explain, but as